Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up multiple charts in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly build a multi-chart layout and compare symbols side by side. First, open the Thinkorswim app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, head to the Charts area. If you're not already there, look for the Charts tab along the top of the platform and select it. Now click inside the chart to make sure it's active. This ensures the platform knows you want to adjust the chart layout, not another section of the platform. Next, shift your attention to the top right corner of the chart window. This is where Thinkorswim keeps many of the chart tools and layout controls. You're looking for a small icon that looks like a rectangle or a tiny grid. It's the layout selector that controls how many charts are displayed at once. Click that rectangle icon. A menu will appear showing a table of little boxes. Each box represents a different multi-chart layout. Don't rush your choice just yet. Hover your mouse over the table to preview the options. As you move across the grid, you'll see patterns like 1x2, 2x2, or even more complex arrangements. Think about what you'll compare most often. Two symbols side by side, a ticker across multiple time frames, or perhaps 4 charts at once for a quick market overview. When you've found the layout that fits your workflow, select the multiple chart option and click to apply it. Instantly, your single chart will split into the number of panes you chose. Each pane behaves like a normal chart, so you can click into any pane and type a symbol to load it, adjust the time frame, and apply studies just as you would on a single chart. If you're comparing the same symbol across different time frames, set one pane to a longer view and another to a shorter one for a balanced perspective. A few quick tips to make the most of this layout. Keep each pane active by clicking inside it before changing symbols or time frames, and use consistent chart styles so comparisons are easier on the eyes. If screen space feels tight, maximize the platform window or hide side panels to give your charts more room. And that's it. You've opened Thinkorswim, navigated to your chart, found the top right layout control, clicked the rectangle icon, previewed the grid, and selected a multi-chart layout. Your workspace is now ready for efficient, side-by-side analysis.